My name is 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗁. Back in about 1993, I had the opportunity. This property came up for sale, and we were fortunate to be able to buy it. It is a lifelong dream to live on the water. We have 2 boats in the RV. One of the big factors in deciding which carport we were going to use was that these are certified for 170-mile-an-hour winds, and it's Florida State certified. Since I live here on the water with hurricanes, that was very important. The RV is actually called a 31-foot, but it's about 35 foot in total length, and having it under the carport has helped incredibly, keeping it cool, because in the summer, it just gets so hot sitting out in the sun.
What? Huh?
Yeah, so the slide outs are in, but yeah, it's basically just for my wife and I. We do use it here at the house when we have more guests than can sleep inside the house. Mostly we just take it out to the kids' ranch, and we've traveled with it a couple times to some other places. We enjoy it. Yeah, sitting here on the water, I guess he'll show you in a minute, but the salt water's right behind us. We're actually, with a good wind, we'll get salt spray up on the house or here, so like just pushing that back, it's a maintenance hassle to keep it lubricated and everything. With the carport and enclosed on the back, it's been a whole lot better. Now, this little boat we've had for about 1.5 years. We had another one, and we got this one. We got more grandkids, it's more comfortable. We can go all over the bay with it, and I've actually taken it offshore, about 20 miles out in the Gulf of Mexico. It's a fun boat. It's auto deploy, so you just push a button, it goes down, and it comes back up by itself. We can get out in the Gulf and get up by one of the platforms or over a fishing spot and put the trolling motor down and tell it to stay. You don't have to anchor, it just stays right there. Yeah, we love being here on the water. There are some maintenance issues about it. The salt air is hard on about everything. This is my wife's flower garden over here. My wife does enjoy all her plants. Our plan is to extend the fence up around the front, but that's coming. We had this house built in 1995. So, yeah, 29 years. Yeah, grandkids love to fish out here. I do sometimes, but when they come down to visit, they'll be hanging out here all day. So up there, you can see the house and the other barn that's been there for, I guess I built that in '97. I bought this thing in 2012. It's a 28-foot offshore boat. Got twin motors on it. We got enough fuel, we can go out 150 miles. I had 3 of my grandsons are certified divers, as I am. So it's built to carry dive tanks, and it's got fresh water supply. That's a lot of fun. I actually built this barn myself. I bought the parts from another company. And I got a quote from them before I built the carport, and I decided to go with Allen's. So, yeah, if I could describe my experience with Allen's, did exactly as they said they would. The builders did a good job. It was great, easy.